analogy of when I used to sell real estate. It's going back 5-6 years ago. When I used to go see a client, I used to say, can you think of 2 or 3 people who are like yourself that would be interested in buying a property, and write their name down, write down their phone number for me, and I would use those referrals to generate more leads. These days, I'll have a look at their LinkedIn profile, I see who they're connected with, and I'll pick out 5 or 6 people that are the ideal demographic, ideal industry, and when I go to that meeting, I'll say, hey, can you introduce me to these people? So all of a sudden, I've got visibility over my client's network. So that's just one example of how I could use that. If I wanted to reach out and connect with them on LinkedIn, the conversion rate will always be higher because we've got that mutual connection. So social media has given us visibility over our network, our clients' network, so you've got second-degree connections, and then you can also tap into things like groups. So like, it's essentially transitioned the word of mouth into the world of mouth. Does that make sense?